Hello everyone, my name is Jian Zhang. In this session, I'd like to give you a simple introduction to PICO Spatial Engine, the core system that powers PICO OS 6 and makes our spatial computing experience possible. You may have seen the term PICO Spatial Engine in our video or documents. So what is it and why do we need it? The XR industry is changing fast. We are moving from the old model, where one immersive app takes over your entire view, to the new world where multiple spatial apps can share the same 3D space, just like desktop apps, but spatial. To support this shift, the OS needs to do much more than before. Instead of patching old systems, we had to rebuild the foundation from the ground up. The new foundation is the PICO Spatial Engine. It enables new types of applications, richer spatial features, and the next generation of developer frameworks. The PICO Spatial Engine was designed with 3 major goals in mind. First, support multiple spatial apps running together, with comfortable composition, good performance, and robust privacy protection. Second, reduce complexity for developers. The engine handles low-level technical details, so creators can focus on core ideas and user experience. Third, provide a coherent system experience, so visual quality, interaction, and UI design feels unified across the entire platform. Now, let's take a closer look at how it all works. We can break the architecture down into 3 layers, moving from the bottom up. First, the Centralized Core Engine. PICO Spatial Engine is our unified rendering service inside the OS. Unlike the previous generation of XR OS, where each application handles its own rendering, the PICO Spatial Engine now does the rendering work for all spatial apps. And this brings many benefits by design. Here are just a few examples. Number 1, no duplicated rendering resources. Apps no longer need to allocate their own render buffers and pipelines, which reduces overhead and improves overall performance. Number 2, more system-level optimizations. Technicals like foveated rendering are always applied, giving users sharper visuals without ever sharing sensitive gate data with applications. Number 3, global spatial awareness. Because all apps are rendered together, the engine understands their spatial relationships and can optimize composition for comfort. Beyond rendering, the engine also provides a wide range of built-in capabilities, including physics, perception, animation, audio, video, interaction, UI, and much more. Second, the ECS architecture. The engine uses an entity component system design, a modern data-oriented way to build software. In simple terms, entities are the things, components are the data, and the systems are the logic that bring everything to life. This gives us higher performance, better scalability, and a much cleaner way to build complex systems. We carry this philosophy straight into our developer API. And because ECS is widely used in the industry, many developers already know it. So the framework feels familiar, and they become productive quickly. For those new to ECS, it's still easy to pick up and fast to build with. Third, the engine is very open to higher-level frameworks. Developers can use Kotlin, game engine, web tech, or even build their own framework on top of our native APIs. This gives creators multiple paths to develop spatial apps, from light-weighted UI experiences to fully custom 3D systems. Now, let's talk about what this means for our developers. This represents a shift in mindset. The OS will provide more ready-to-use built-in features instead of asking developers to build everything from scratch. As the engine becomes the main provider of developer features, the system must keep growing and improving to meet developers' needs. So how do you decide which features go on the roadmap and which ones should be the top priority? We will figure that out together with you, the developers. By working closely together, every time a new capability is introduced, everyone in the community benefits. The PICO Spatial Engine isn't just an internal system. It's a shared foundation for everyone building on our platform. So let's build this future together. Thank you.